It was raining, but Spencer and Gordon wanted to have a race. "Let's race," cried Spencer. "But you'll get really muddy in this rain," said Percy. "Oh, I don't mind," said Gordon. "And anyway, the rain will just wash off after," added Spencer. "Well, okay," said Percy. "First one to get to the crossing wins. Ready, steady, go!" And off they went. They were soon both covered in mud. It was a close race, but Spencer just edged it. "Ha ha, I win," boasted Spencer. Yeah, well done," said Gordon. "We are really muddy though." "Don't worry, the rain will wash it away," said Spencer. But the rain stopped. "Uh-oh," said Gordon. "Now what?" "Let's go to the engine wash," suggested Spencer. But when they got there was a problem. The engineers were replacing it with a new one, but accidentally ordered a new shed and not a new engine wash. What about if we use a water tower and our drivers wash us?" suggested Gordon. Spencer liked this idea, but when they got there was another problem. There was no water. "Where has all the water gone?" cried Gordon. "Well, to install the new engine wash, the engineers had to turn off the water."
Heh, sorry about that.
"What are we going to do?" asked Gordon. "I guess we'll have to travel far enough away to find a working water tower," said Spencer. "I don't think I can," said Gordon. "I don't have enough water left." I guess we can call someone to deliver us some water," suggested Spencer. So they called Duck. He pushed the truck over to a water tower that worked and filled it up. He then took it to Gordon and Spencer. But the problem with pushing the truck was that he couldn't see where he was going. So he accidentally went the wrong way. He hit a buffer. Whoops, he thought. At least no one saw that. But what he didn't realise was that he now had a foamy beard. So he reversed off and carefully made his way over to Gordon and Spencer. "There's Duck!" cried Gordon. "There you go," said Duck. "Hold on," said Gordon. "Duck, since when did you have a beard?" I'm sorry?" asked Duck. "You have a big bushy beard," cried Spencer. "Do I?" said a confused Duck. "Oh, I know what must have happened," and he told them about his crash with the buffer. So the drivers got out and cleaned their engines. So everyone was squeaky clean. Hi, I'm Dave, thanks for watching my video. please check out our new website and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon!